RockSTARR. How do we close the gap between CNS research and the communities we serve? How can we truly give CNS research volunteers a voice in their community? How can we give sponsors the opportunity to honor the individuals who participate in research studies? Project RockSTARR was created to foster relationships between CNS patient volunteers, advocacy groups, clinical research sites, and sponsors, to find ways to decrease the stigma associated with mental health illnesses and promote clinical research as an option. If you're not involved, get involved. Volunteers for research allow us to advance our scientific understanding of brain disorders. The STAR Coalition has developed Project RockSTARR to recognize the heroic volunteers while ensuring research is a part of the local healthcare ecosystem. The idea is simple. The sponsor of a research study dedicates a budget for local advocacy groups. When a volunteer screens for a CNS study, he or she is given information on advocacy groups within their community. After consent and during the screening process, volunteers have the opportunity to assign a predetermined amount of money, typically ranging from $25 to $200, to a local advocacy organization of their choice. This information will be tracked by the STAR Coalition, who will then, at regular intervals, send checks to the research sites, made out to those advocacy organizations. Research site staff can then take the check to the advocacy group and present them with a donation on behalf of the volunteers who participated in the study. This is a great way for research sites to build a relationship with that organization. Project RockSTARR helps in a number of ways. Project RockSTARR empowers volunteers to give back to their community. Volunteers learn information about advocacy groups within their area, providing volunteers and caregivers with access to assistance outside the clinical research trial. Advocacy becomes more educated on clinical research trials in their area. Advocacy benefits from the additional funding to help support local and state programming. Research sites understand the mission of advocacy and their role in the community. In this way, Project RockSTARR builds bridges between volunteers, advocacy, and clinical research. For more information, visit www.thestar.org or email us at luke@thestar.org or call us anytime at 501-944-8653. We're here to answer any questions.